All right, on this one, this is a pretty tricky key here. Um, so this is going to be the key of F sharp major, but it's a tricky key because it's also pretty commonly played and thought of as the key of G flat major, kind of like the previous video. But in this key, it's actually fairly equal the amount of times you'll encounter it as F sharp major and the amount of times you'll encounter it as G flat major. So this is one you're really going to want to practice thinking about in both ways. So to review, 12 o'clock is C, 1 was G, 2 was D, 3 was A, 4 was E, 5 o'clock was B, and now we get to 6 o'clock, which gives us F sharp major, also known as G flat major. So what's interesting about this key is everything is sharp in this key except for the B note. So we have in this key, I'll just tell you in the order of sharps, you have F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, to D sharp, to A sharp, to E sharp, leaving the B normal. So practically speaking, we have the notes F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B, just a regular B, then C sharp, D sharp, E sharp. So this is definitely a key where I think of everything is sharp except for the B. It's a lot easier to remember that. Interestingly enough, when you switch over to the key of G flat, it's the same notes and everything, just a different way of thinking about it. And it's a similar thing where it has 6 flats. However, the F is normal. So you just say F instead of F flat. So if you're thinking of it as G flat, the notes are G flat, A flat, B flat, C flat, D flat, E flat, F. So it's kind of a brain teaser there. So on the guitar, to get you started here. So we're going to start middle finger, fret number 2, 6th string. That gives us the F sharp note or G flat. Then we go to fret 4. This is going to be G sharp or A flat. We're going to next go to A sharp here, fret number 1 on the 5th string. This is also known as B flat. We're next going to go to the B note here, 2nd fret. We can also think of this as C flat. Then this is going to be our C sharp here, fret 4. We can also think of this as D flat. Right over to D sharp here, fret 1 on the 4th string. Also it can be thought of as E flat. Then we're going to, so this is where it gets kind of confusing sometimes. So we have the D sharp. So for an F sharp, we would actually be thinking of the E sharp note, which is really F. That's why that's kind of confusing. So that's fret number 3. But we can also think of it as F if it was in the key of G flat. Then we're going to go to fret 4, it gives us F sharp or G flat. Then fret 1 on the 3rd string, it gives us G sharp or A flat. Then we're going to go to A sharp or B flat here, fret 3. Then we're going to go to the open B or C flat. Then we're going to go to fret number 2, C sharp or D flat. Then we're going to go to fret number 4. This is D sharp, also known as E flat. Then we're going to go right to the F or the E sharp, as we can say. And then finally, fret number 2 to the F sharp or the G flat. So that's quite the brain workout there. So to say this and play this, I'm going to start with thinking of it as F sharp. So we have F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B normal or natural, just B, C sharp, D sharp, E sharp, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B, C sharp, D sharp, E sharp, F sharp, F sharp, E sharp, D sharp, C sharp, B, A sharp, G sharp, F sharp, E sharp, D sharp, C sharp, B, excuse me, A sharp, G sharp, F sharp. Now, switching gears, thinking of it as G flat major, we've got G flat, A flat, B flat, C flat, D flat, E flat, F, G flat, A flat, B flat, C flat, D flat, E flat, F, G flat, G flat, F, E flat, D flat, C flat, B flat, A flat, G flat, F, E flat, D flat, C flat, B flat, A flat, G flat. Okay, man, that is quite the brain workout. So moving on, the minor equivalent here. Sixth note from the framework of it being F sharp. So F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B, C sharp, D sharp. So D sharp minor is the notes D sharp to E sharp to F sharp to G sharp to A sharp to B to C sharp to D sharp. If I think of it the flip side, we would think of it as E flat minor from the context of it being G flat major, because we would have G flat, A flat, B flat, C flat, D flat, E flat. So the notes in E flat minor are E flat, F, G flat, A flat, B flat, C flat, D flat. Okay, so let me show you how the scale gets played first. So starting with the context of it being D sharp minor. So we go right over here, fret number 1, 4th string to give us D sharp. Then we're going to go to E sharp, fret number 3 to F sharp, fret 4. Then over to the 1st fret of the 3rd string to give us G sharp. Then 3rd fret for A sharp. Then open B string to give us B. And then middle finger to play C sharp. And then pinky to play D sharp. And that's it for that one. So I will play this up and down, thinking of it as D sharp to start. So we have D sharp, E sharp, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B, C sharp, D sharp, D sharp, C sharp, B, A sharp, G sharp, F sharp, E sharp, D sharp. Now to switch gears and thinking of it as E flat minor, we have E flat, F, G flat, A flat, B flat, C flat, D flat, E flat, E flat, D flat, C flat, B flat, A flat, G flat, F, E flat. Okay, see you in the next one.